Welcome back to Needyshare.com. In this video, we will show you how to grow your wealth by sharing our platform with your friends and family using the Invite and Earn section. To find your sharing options, click on Invite and Earn from the left sidebar menu. Here, you will see two amazing ways to earn rewards. The first option is the regular referral program. Simply copy your unique code or share your invitation link. When your friends join and invest, you will receive a fantastic referral bonus added directly to your account. The second option is the Facebook Recharge task, where you can share and get recharge balance. It is simple, fast, and completely free to complete. First, copy your invitation link and post it publicly on your Facebook profile or page. Next, come back to this page to submit your proof. You can either paste your public Facebook post link or select Screenshot Upload from the drop-down menu to upload a picture of your post. Add an optional note if you like and click Submit Proof. Once our admin team reviews and approves your proof, you will instantly receive a reward of $1 or 130 BDT added to your rechargeable balance. Finally, whenever you want to use this balance, just click the Recharge Now button to instantly top up your mobile phone. It is that easy. Start sharing and earning today with Needyshare. Thank you for watching.